Hello, my name is John Bergen. I'm an agricultural educator at Mission Valley High School in Eskridge, Kansas. In my horticulture class, we use a crop nutrition calculator to determine how different crops deplete or fixate nutrient resources within the soil. This is an important tool when determining any type of fertilizer applications for agronomic principles. In this mathematics, while this calculator does not show anything for horticultural applications out in an ornamental sense, it does show things for anywhere from orchards to row crop ground. Using the International Plant Nutrition Institute's website, which is linked below and will be shown at the end of this presentation, you are able to go down and select several different plants. Being here from Kansas, I'm going to use an example crop that is commonly grown here, and that is winter wheat. Of course, winter wheat, we're coming up on nearing the 150th Kansas wheat harvest, and so as we study different crops, this is one that comes to the top of my mind. In our area, an average yield would be about, on dry land, would be about 65 acres for bushels per acre. So we calculate, the website is going to give us different nutrient values for nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and it's either going to even put in other micronutrients such as sulfur. It will also put the potassium in straight phosphates and potassium. However, these two elements are the way that the fertilizer will be applied to the ground, which is why it's showing that data that way. So here, the yield goal for bushels an acre of 65, we are going to remove 75 pounds per acre of nitrate. Phosphate, we're going to be looking at 61. Potassium, for phosphates, we're going to be looking at 31. For potassium, we're going to be looking at 18 pounds per acre. This will allow a farmer to be able to make best management choice decisions when determining how much nutrient level their soil needs for that given year. Here I calculated up for soybean grain with a yield goal of 100 bushels per acre. You'll notice here that the nitrates that are being depleted are a lot higher, and it takes a lot more fertilizer to produce 100 bushels an acre of soybeans as compared to wheat. However, what this document does not show is what is fixated back into the soil. Soybeans, being a legume, will fixate some nitrogen back into the soil through the nodules that are found within the roots, but it will remove nitrates as it's growing before it's fixated back into the soil. Proposed audience for this is going to be other ag teachers, my students who use this website to give instructions how to do so, as well as community farmers that are looking for a nice, easy nutrient removal calculator. Standards covered in this presentation was TPAC TK1 and ITSE Teacher Standard 1B.